Ever had your ABS light pop on and heard, "It's just the front left sensor"? That's a myth. Your car actually has 4 ABS sensors, one at each wheel. When the scan tool says front left, it's just pointing to the problem, not the only sensor. In this video, we'll show you how to find all 4 sensors, why each one matters, and how to spot the real issue, so you can save money and drive safer. Let's bust the front left myth and get your ABS system working right. An ABS sensor, or wheel speed sensor, is a small electronic device that measures how fast each wheel is spinning. It's a key part of your car's safety systems, working every time you drive. Think of it as a speedometer for each wheel, constantly sending data to your car's ABS computer. This info is crucial for anti-lock brakes, especially during sudden stops or slippery roads. The sensor sits next to a toothed reluctor ring on the wheel hub. As the wheel spins, the ring's teeth pass the sensor, creating electrical pulses that tell the computer how fast the wheel is turning. Faster wheel, more pulses. That's how the ABS system knows if a wheel is locking up or losing traction. ABS sensors also help traction and stability control, letting your car adjust braking and power to keep you safe. If a sensor fails or gets dirty, the system can't work right. That's when the ABS warning light comes on, reminding you these tiny sensors play a big role in your safety. Every modern car with ABS has 4 wheel speed sensors, one at each wheel. This isn't optional, it's essential for ABS to work. Each wheel can behave differently during braking, especially on slippery roads. The ABS computer compares all 4 sensors to spot a lockup and intervene at the right wheel. Without 4 sensors, the system can't protect you. Traction and stability control also rely on all 4 sensors. Accurate data from every wheel keeps you safe. Ready to find your ABS sensors? Here's how you can locate every single one on your vehicle, step by step, even if you've never done it before. ABS sensors are crucial for your car's safety, so knowing where they are is important for maintenance and troubleshooting. First, safely, jack up the car and remove a wheel. Make sure the car is on a level surface and use jack stands for extra safety. Removing the wheel gives you clear access to the components behind it. With the wheel off, look behind the brake rotor. You're searching for a small plastic sensor with a wire coming out of it. This is your ABS sensor. It's usually tucked away, so a flashlight helps. On the front wheels, the ABS sensors are typically bolted to the steering knuckle, or the wheel hub. They're positioned so they face a toothed ring, also called a tone ring, which spins with the wheel and helps the sensor detect wheel speed. To trace the sensor, follow the wire. It's often clipped neatly along the suspension arms or struts. These clips keep the wire safe from moving parts and road debris. The rear ABS sensors work the same way, but their location can vary. Sometimes they're mounted on the hub, sometimes on the axle, and in some vehicles, you'll even find them on the differential, especially in trucks or SUVs. If your car has drum brakes in the rear, check the backing plate. The ABS sensor is often mounted there, right where the wheel cylinder or brake shoes are located. No matter the setup, always look for the only electrical wire near the wheel hub or brake assembly. That wire almost always leads directly to your ABS sensor. Repeat this process for all 4 corners of your car. Each wheel will have its own ABS sensor, so be thorough and check each location carefully. If you spot a wire and connector by the wheel, you've found the ABS sensor. It's that simple. Now you know exactly where to look, making future repairs or diagnostics much easier. Your ABS sensors work as a team, constantly comparing wheel speeds. If one wheel slips or locks, the computer reacts instantly to keep you in control. If a sensor fails, the computer gets confused. One wheel shows 0 speed while the others move. The system can't trust the data, so it shuts off ABS and lights up your dashboard. You lose anti-lock brakes, traction, and stability control. One bad sensor disables the whole safety system. That's why fixing a faulty sensor is critical. Don't ignore the warning light. Before buying a new sensor, check the basics. Inspect the sensor wire for cracks or breaks. Damaged wires are a common cause. Clean the sensor tip and the toothed ring. Dirt or rust can block the signal. Check the tone ring for cracks or packed debris. Test the wheel bearing. Excessive play can disrupt the sensor's reading. Use a scan tool's live data to compare wheel speeds. If one reads 0, you've found the issue. Diagnose before replacing parts. A few simple checks can save you money and fix your ABS light. Share your ABS stories in the comments.